Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I went ahead and did a quick weave. I have received 3 bundles of 18, 16, and 14 inches. No frontal, just 3 bundles. And I was a little bit like, okay, this hair is like kinky, but it also matches my hair straightened out very well. So I was like, all right. I went ahead and was just pulling my hair down to see what bundles would I put in the back and the front, because my hair is cut blunt. In other words, it's even all the way across my hair. So I was trying to see where I was going to layer the bundles from either 16 to 18 or 18 to 16. Next, I decided to separate the perimeter in the middle of my hair. I was putting the comb in between my hair just to see if you could see through. It tells me how much more or less I need to pull out. I did want as little as possible, but that was what was able to cover. So I went ahead and braided the middle up. I put a glue perimeter around, and I did put that quick weave bond sealant around so I do not get the glue on my hair. I was terrified to get that glue on my hair. Another thing, if you do not have another mirror, you're gonna need one, because I had to grab my mirror, I had to get on my knees, and I had to figure out how to glue the tracks in my head without gluing it on my leave out. So it's a process. It's definitely a process. I thought quick weaves were quick, but I need to see the back of my head. They are quick, but you're definitely gonna have to put some extra steps in. After I got all them tracks glued in, I went ahead and I did cut the wig cap from around my wig, and I did flatten the hair. The hair is kinky. It is kinky, okay? So I take my time in flattering the hair, and after that, I went ahead and flattened my hair, so I go ahead and blend my hair with it. And you guys will see the final results and how well my hair actually blended with this yaki hair. I didn't think it was going to actually blend this well, but it actually blended very, very well. I definitely recommend any type of yaki hair for a quick weave or any type of sewing with a leave out. But yes, I will show you my finished results at the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. Such thing is life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good, and touch the people how you did like before.